Exe ola mocha kanjani, it's your boy Atengo Sinefu aka Hey Buddha Math, and it is episode 3. We have a special guest in the building. He's an artist, a com artist, house producer. He's also an entrepreneur. He's a fashion designer. He's all sorts of things, man. But you'll get to unpack a whole lot of things here. We have Fabiano. Is it Fabiano or Fabiano?
Fabiano.
Fabiano.
Yeah, no, Fabiano is Tiran.
It's Tiran.
Yes, sir.
My dog, looking
man.
fresh.
Always.
Welcome to the Maverick Show.
I have to match your energy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Otherwise, you good, man.
Good to have you here. Good
Thanks,
to have
brother.
you here, man. So we were having a chat coming here because we said the Kaukil.
Yeah, hey, bro, I was angiti. We are doing Ikoni Apa Mesipekayo with my boy Ushinyo. So is all we're doing a live recording. Esquerine Motherwell. Like basically it's Mameli Sabandu, like it's almost like a listening session. But we took a visual for the whole thing. Yeah, well, so Izolo with that I also had 2 other gigs. You know, and I haven't slept ever since Thursday because I've been gigging and doing some other stuff. Yeah, also, but I had to come here, man. I had to honor because I see Spanseno Machito. You guys are doing a good job, so I had to come. Itino Ninjalo too. Itino Ninjalo. I had to come through, man.
Nah, man.
Yeah,
like, that screams like you like ready for showtime. Like,
yeah,
you're in the business for real.
In the business, I feel like as in the it's like abandu ne like. Hey, when you do something, go all in. That's what I believe. You know, I find that most creatives, especially apepai, umdu uyayenza, you know, but it's like they still wanna be cool somewhere. Meaning, I'm in the music industry, 100%. So in the way that I talk, in the way that I dress, so you'd find that umdu. He's in the music, he or she is in the music, but they still wanna impress a certain group of other people. They still wanna be cool. How we creative are cool. How we creative now cool. If you wear baggy pants or you're sort of an outsider, weirdo. Of which how you creative you are that. Different but like creative. So if we creative go all in, subane certain demographic of other people that are not in the field that you're in, you're trying to impress them. And you want to be accepted. Go full in. That's what I believe in.
Do you think this is like a human flaw syndrome specific? It
is a human flaw, but like we care what people say. Like we care too much about what people say, you know, like. Unfolding into too much, but so we'll get into that.
First things first, because we were having this chat even like off air. I'm like, you're one of the guys that's like well put together in the sense that for like a com artist, until they have like a team or like they're close to like being national for them to take a couple of things serious.
Yeah.
So for instance, you already have a brand from Guacala. You already making events from Guacala. You were like Showtime every day from then on.
Yeah.
Like we fumana way.
Like when I got into the game, my chat was that okay, anungumdu that yafunu ncedo ne. But before you have to see something. I have to do something. As of I need this. At least now you must see, okay, I see that you've done this and this and this. Areas. So that was my whole thing. Because I made music and then in making music, and I believed in the music that I was making. I'm making good music, but I'm not getting booked. So I never intended into venturing into these other things. It was a mere fact of I was making music but I wasn't getting booked. I thought, okay, instead of me waiting for you to book me, how about I make an event and then I show people my music. Maybe some events I would go perform for free or for imali, but I would put myself out there. So this whole thing is soka up, you know, but
creating your own
create a brand and then you make someone believe in your brand. Make them believe what you know brand. then go you can maybe mhlawumbe okay, maybe sponsor nyana, fun nyana here and there. So isuka apho basically loo nto le.
Bro, I'm really curious because you're like a Pearson bro. I'm like that's like tier 1, you know, model C. Because at least for 14, like you get like the Newtons, the losses, like because of uchomene namajita selection amaninzi. And also the wildest part is like you existed in Pearson when.
Yo, ufuna luveze age apho mdala bro. I matriculated 2006.
Born by office ka Thabo Mbeki le. So like that's like the old white people, you know what I mean? So for me it's like how do you then like bump into umculo waselection, like something that's as dusty as Igbo instead of like having the techno or like the Yabru.
You know, like when I bump into Amachita that I used to go to school with, they always say the same thing. Fetu, yeah, okay, we knew that we would turn umculo fet. And in high school, I have both been any commercial music, whether it be quiet or hip hop, but mainly hip hop. You know? So the time they bump into it come and then the sense it come, they were like, that's one music that we never thought to go to. It called me dusty. You understand? So it called, there's something about it called, to be honest with you. But before getting into it called, I just wanna look like the part, but like as Umjita was say, like maybe say model C school in Tibana Pin location. It was a location and college with, but then I shall not like it. There's something what David Chappelle said, stand up committee psyche, people thought Uguti he's from the hood because he's hood, not knowing Uguti he went to a good school with David Chappelle. So since he hangs around with Onasi, Black Thought, people thought he was from the hood. Can you know he's not from the hood, David Chappelle. So there's a line that he said, Uguti, my parents made enough money for me to be poor around white people.
Around white people, they come like my parents worked hard enough for us to be poor
around white people. So bruh, I connected with the Light Tetile because as much as I was in a white school, bruh, I never, because I'm actually to drop off kabazali, bruh. Born out timer, ugqirha ioleti liqwetha, you know, bands nendoni, umntana khwela taxi yamagongo yabo, qhumza umculo, qhum nifika ngetaxi yesigele, you know. So I always felt, but my mother, I was raised by a single mother. My mother was a fighter, bruh, because to be honest with you, my mother never made enough money for band because ndifune Samawude primary, then ndafune Pearson high school. My mother didn't make enough money. To be honest, the school fees, I was never supposed to go to those schools, but she was a fighter. Actually, funny story, my mother was a maid for Umlungazi that had kids that were going to a Samawude. But he made a summer strand. And then wafunda, obviously, he made uyafunda. Esigele yabo, and then wazixela ukuthi umnanam esholo brother wami ufune Lawson Brown yena yabo, but umnanam xa ndifumene umsebenzi because mna at least ndizalwe i-olady cell teacher of which umtshita sendlini bebekhona i-olady lisafunda. So I got the opportunity ukuthi ngiqale ufunda ki multiracial schools early,
yeah.
So she told herself ukuthi, you know what, umnanam uzofunda kwesi sikolo. I remember this one time ndafika, I was like in grade 5, now like just seeing other kids, how they were, you know. Dafika oliti nathi oliti man ngicela uphume kwesikole. Bathi ngoba man like you know man like and yachambisa bra, like I'm gonna make one story. Umzekelo kukho inye project, this was in grade 6, which is standard 4, grade 6. Kwakho le project ukuthi sas divide into 5 groups. I think a group, I think it was, I was black, and then now she was black, but she was Ikokona, she couldn't speak isiXhosa kahle, and then there were 3 white kids. So the project, we have to make a fudge, and then we have to talk about, so each and every member group has to come with the ingredient. So I don't remember the ingredients, but there was sugar and stuff like that, and then the ingredient was a bottle. I have to bring a bottle from home.
From home, yeah.
You know, if you are a ration, you only have me.
Ungaza in the sunshine tea.
That's on the sunshine tea, bro. That's on the sunshine tea, Joe. cinga mfethu abelungu bayazi because they know maybe mhlawumbe flora nestock yabo that's on the sign early yabo. So I remember, and you know what the messed up thing is about Itak is that the white kids didn't see, like, never made fun of me. It was the black kids, bro, the privileged black kids, cause that was making fun of me. So because this almost okay ngeminute funeka sisonke ingredients and then izokwenziwa and then i-project izoba next week. So nanzi say ibhotolo yami ndayibeka pha so yonke into ibeka konke mina thonga uJessica, white girl, she put it pa yabo. And then I think we were studying LO, I mean sasi ki class LO. Lo mlana uyitaki wayemane thatha ibhotolo yami ne and then abelewe I know this. And then abelawe ba bahleke and then bahleke nabanye. You know, and then bahleke nabanye, you know, because she knew ukuthi ekhaya kho grand asikho asiyasokola kancinci nje. We're not supposed to be here yabo. And the white kids were like, no, qanzu anifuna ubiza igama lo mlana yabo. No, but must stop it, man. It's not funny what you're doing. Come on, it's not funny. But science the project anyway. Yeah. But then the project they couldn't use the potolo yam because it wasn't that. They didn't use. So I'm not chasing it was
too oily.
Yeah, it was too oily. I don't know, man. It doesn't have enough vitamins. I love vitamins enough.
I like thank you for the effort.
No, thank you for effort.
But that's a cool story, man.
That was a long answer, sorry, Fit.
Yeah. No. That's for your context.
Yeah, for your context.
I think people also don't know. Like, that was like a very interesting thing for me because of it's like even the story selling because we learned quiet. My story is intriguing when the story so Kabelo. With especially Ukabelo. My cash and cheese boy straight. But with Ukabelo it's like it's a Soweto brewer. But when parents they worked hard enough for him to at least have access to scholarship. Yeah, but for Ufunda in like a Saint Stephen's.
Saint Stephen's, yeah.
So that was an interesting story. Also, it gives you Ilendo a bit of a perspective.
Yeah. Because I even laugh at people like abantu besiba you cheese boy when I'm like fair to so you jonga fair to and you trust me. Yeah. But in the grand at least it taught me a lot of stuff. It taught me like ibalekile lana to uziqhele ezinye culture and how people do yabo. Ikwenza lana uma ube I don't know man like iyivula ingqondo yakho. And I feel like ivula ingqondo yami because even pleasure andiyenzayo I feel like my way of thinking, you know, background of where I went to school and the
business acumen and some some of the things now make sense.
It helped. Yeah. So at least imagine I'm a brewer. If there were to be a boardroom and there were Indian colored, at least I would be able to represent myself.
The proposal was
better.
Nah, that's fine.
Sure.
Now let's take it back to the music because of course Tina as Ipai Sikwazi from Amachita Plan. Let's talk about AE. Yeah.
AE.
So let's talk about how do you form that? How do you come about Igom Trap Juice like Mastering La Era?
La Era. La Era. Yeah, I remember you as ASAP Mob.
Yeah.
ASAP Rock, ASAP Fake, and then Poison Parks.
Poison,
Poison. Yeah, so like I would say La Crew, Wu-Tang Clan, you can go as far, but La Era, like, especially La Era Amachite Plan, those were the brews that we were like, the crew, man. So Amachite Plan were, because I used to get a lot of people asking me, Guti, Itini Royal Amachite Plan. I'm like, Oiwanumchita is my brother. Omye is a guy that I used to work with, the Tamlan Pangela. Omye is a cousin of the guy that I used to work with. Omye, and then just formed Amachite Plan. Yeah, so it wasn't like a record label. It was just, even we were Amachite Plan before there was even a company. It was Amachite Plan. We just like the name, good is Amachita and a plan. We make a plan. Yeah, so La Era.
Oh, so you guys existed during Amahlanya, Summer Rain. So you guys were practically like crew.
It's crew because crew man inamo, you know, like You can't just be alone. Must be a crew. Yeah. So Amajite Plan was formed.
So technically, ubus Kotan.
Yeah, but yeah, it was Kotan when I got into the music industry. In the Bus Kotan because even Ikama like a Fabiano. Thing is, you have to understand what the era is Kotan and Shiyamna. Beni area Matalian. Amatalian are the originals Kotan. So that's where I got the name of Fabiano. Actually, I was supposed to be Fabiani, and then I thought it was Fabiano, and then I thought, okay, man make Fabiano. So era is Kotan. I was besendiyekile kwa even into yokhotha nezinto zospita yabo. So no, not this Kotan.
So you were like the Vanucci era.
Yeah, Ipas, Cavella, you know, yeah. And I used to watch a lot of Italian movies, The Godfather, just that whole thing. So even when Amajite Plan go we say you need to be a family, see family.
The mob references.
The mob, yeah, references and all that stuff, yeah.
Oh, that's fire. Yeah. That's fire. So as far as Gengoku umculo, you guys like transition from okay, cool, C group. Now we taking like vision yeah. Guys, let's push music. One magatin.
Yeah.
Whether some of the guys already into music as or but guys, you could do this. You could do this. How about we do this?
Yeah, no, in the Amajite Plan call it through Nabamanqula. That's when it all started. And then to find out no, actually you can DJ, you can play, you're gonna be my DJ. And then when you can be like sort of like manager, so you know. But not manager because yeah, I'm telling them, okay, this is how we manage support, but you just represent me. Yeah, we'll just because sometimes I'll tell them directly, you know, like if Teta in those Teta personal to Fabiano, but if we manager Fabiano speed, then it's better.
Yeah,
so
let's wait on.
So I was tomorrow when I did John Sweetheart. It's me speaking. I am manager. I'm can't Jane. Yeah. Yes, just who listens. Even at the manager, but no manager eating fit. Can't do mucho. Yeah. So it started. Okay, Fabiano. But in like in the Amajite Plan changile. Because like from where it started to where it peak and then where it was just Fabiano. Because Amajite Pangela, I was the only one that was doing umculo full time. So we did the thing Amajite Plan and it worked with the vocalists here and then Safunu Kola to like have more people. So Sabana even a female, there was even a phase back that but no man. Yeah, bona mosba crew so logo the first lady. Yeah. So we also had that thing was like 3 years, but she moved to Bloemfontein. Yeah. So era, are you asking about Amajite Plan now or then?
No, like we need to cover all areas.
We need to cover all ends. We made music and then science events go conceptuals GTJ. I think that's where it all started. GTJ. I did GTJ 2016. Did the first one and then it was Big Red and then I did the second one 2016 again. What December? That was the one that gave me this idea. To know, man, we can really do this. So the music was there, but I had to make events, so I had to book myself. And from 2016 going into 2017, I buy conceptuals 3, 4, 5, you know. And then we shot music videos also, you know. And I'm the first artist from the Eastern Cape that shot a music video yet.
Talk your shit,
not Dep and Quiet or anything, maybe hip hop, but underground, Eastern Cape. There's a song called Ukrits. Because Brewers, they used to like push umculo ku WhatsApp and Audio Mac and stuff like that. Yeah. But I'm like, dog, like we as pushers ngoma, I'm releasing ngoma on Friday, please tune or whatever. I will watch this space. I'm like, no man, shoot a music video. I'm gonna shoot a music video, and I shot a music video. And actually, I got a connect from Oazi SA. He's a hip hop brewer, but you know, man, he called me out here, shoot video prop. I'm like, bruh, in order for these people to take us seriously, must be Joburg. I couldn't see a Joburg. Let's be Joburg. So I shot music like 2017. Shot music videos. I even did a reality show of Amajite Plan. The reality show was supposed to be the behind the scene of how we do events. Like what goes through when you do an event, the stresses that you go through, the disappointments that you get, because we're planning a real event, a Fresh Prince of PE, which is even birthday. So the guy, he shot it was September. He shot the reality show, and then he was like, "No, man, let's not just shoot a documentary, let's do a reality show, like an everyday thing. Okay, not necessarily every day like a Big Brother, but like whenever unendo, like umzekelo, if Ebekholo Mchita was gonna take it behind the scenes of this, so we did a reality show, and then we had the whole crew introducing Abanu to Amachite Plani, the lady that was there and stuff, and then luckily after Sanu we say shoota ngokwethu, luckily after Sanu we shoota, Lamchita was shootela was pana kap Mpumakapa ngoku, ayong BTV. Waspana Mpumakapa, so he was proposed about answer man already say khona sesishutile lento. And then reality show yami yadlala, I think yadlala for a month, I think 10 episodes ku BTV Mpumakapa.
Right.
You know, also
that,
these are the things that like don't wait for people to come help you. We need help, yeah, but suza ngalondo ba ufuna uncedo, you know, uncedo luzo, I feel like you create la ngosebenza man through working yabo. So it was that, and then we had to do a match in easy prior, and then we did the match. So Yongelan was moving nicely. It actually won. About Comtrip Choose 4 2018, Comtrip Choose 5 2019, then boom, COVID 2020. That's when everything fell apart. Cause now Amachita went to umjite bephangela umuntu uye kumsebenzi wakhe, their real job, mna ndihlele endlini, I can't do anything, so and then amanye amajita aphangela aye Jozi, so I would say amajita plan isekhona cause it's still a company yam, you know, but as far as the crew now it's like more of bazichomi zam.
Oh,
because they're not active.
Yeah, they're not active.
Yeah, they're not active. Yeah, they're not active. And iyachafisa most in the industry yasepai. Niya push and push and push and push. I'm like, but no radio play. We have nice music videos, but azalwa, you know, like fans by quality. Like I would stay the Bugele music channel. I'm like, yeah, what the levito. Okay, mameli rate. Okay, mameli rate. Gone. Was like, you know, what's the man? You shouldn't. No, what's the man? So obviously, you know, Mosi, you have to.
Politics, yeah.
Politics in this thing,
Politics.
So yeah, and then go up until today, okay. But okay, but so after COVID, when I like Ndiabuya, bit by bit, you know, because I was quiet.
Before we go post COVID, you were making events and they were like going crazy, and the Kumbulam now system because she was a comhead. It's like Bugele, I think you know by like related show or something got about. Oh sorry, but man, I'm just plan. No. So like now I'm like like my brew was wow. But I'm like, oh yeah, that's my brew.
Aphonic.
I'm like, oh that's my brew. I'm like, you guys were like motioning, but it just takes me to my question. What's like the most money you've made from like an event?
It Comtrip Choose 3 2018. Yeah, Pink Panther. It theme young Pink, so I just it Comtrip Choose Pink Panther edition. Kakalane, I made 260,000.
Yes.
on one night, but then.
Bro, that's like a quarter a bar. Right?
250,000 kakalane. But I went ham like event. You know, I went ham. And Ukalani, remember Ukalani ngala xesha. It was the hottest place.
It was.
It was the hottest place. And also Ikom was peak. That was before Mapiano. Yeah, so Ikom. But the one thing Enis Nigayo Namna is that like even it Comtrip Choose, I say it's the biggest because there's only local artists there. There's no international there. Drake. Imagine Drake. No, but like there were no national artists there. It was PE East London. That's local.
Was that intentional or was that
it was intentional.
A budget-based thing?
Yeah, okay, maybe budget, but I also felt like, but Lamachita Semont and Lamachita Lapa, because remember, Ingoma Yamukrits was produced by out in Udlala Msiana. Udlala Msiana is the same producer that produced for Huku, what's this chick name? Yeah.
Oh, Machozi.
Show Machozi. It's the same producer. He produced my song and he produced for and then there's out a group was from East London. They produced for Quest Dlala Murtu. Yeah, so I'm like, actually, La Machi Lape Eastern Cape, and these are my friends. Yeah. So maybe it was a budget thing because I did want to book Amajaset Durban, but I was like, no man, actually, if Upper Eastern Cape you can do it alone, and then it happened, dog, and it was a pistol event. So that's how much money I've made. That event.
Yeah. So what did you splurge it on?
Yeah.
No, bala machiri, because you already spoke about that.
Never. I'm a stingy son of a I'm stingy. Machiri. I would spend money on cherry, but it has to be a special one, you know. You can't just come. She
needs to earn it.
She needs to earn it straight. Yeah. But you might think maybe I'm crazy. First of all, I don't drink. Ansel.
Yeah, I was gonna get into that. Because you sell a lifestyle, like come here, we outside, let's have fun. Baby, I
poste a video I
saw that, yeah.
Video. So I'll sell. I'm like, no, like it's turn on aesthetic, whatever. I die for it. It looks cool. Because I imagine in the plain yogurt, in the million I call and sale. I'm like, yeah, cool, yeah. So and sale. So most Imali, I do another event. Because remember, for the longest time, when I was coming into the game, I was like, okay, I do want to work with these brands and net funding, money fundings, but let me build Kala.
Yeah.
So my whole thing was like, okay, maybe if in the 7th the brands are gonna come. But actually, what happened was the total opposite. I feel like the time, the senses way, I don't know, maybe maybe they felt threatened to go to Amali out.
Yeah, he's getting under control.
Yeah, and then like let's see by Pelela. So it concept shows, I connect concept to say what Popman is only events, music videos, a reality show, Zana of mana ne send from his sponsor funding nothing.
But were you making proposals?
I was making proposals. I was approaching radio. I was like Jovan Sicha music video and other stuff. But you know, but that's the politics most. Male drink, you know. So hey, pra. So imali I used to, whenever I did an event, I had to buy already in the other booking. I have to plan another event, and then the Mali music video has to come from. Remember, this is all this is all I do. Imali music video is a pumapa Mali event. Imali mbasha. Was Mali event. Some let's say iba Mali mbasha ne, and then fans ba mani ngati siya shorter. Must start a event so pinesibu is. Yeah, also imali be circulated lawi. It was events. Imbasha, event, music video, whatever I need to do.
You always invested back to the brand.
I always invested back to a brand, yeah. So that's what I did. I can't remember what I bought, like in the craze that I've bought in Mali. To the point we call it out SH was I said, but yeah, what the fabs ubu serious kakhulu. I feel like ngiyithengile kodwa imoto mfethu ngalaxesha ngene moto by now, you know, like if benifuna ngenayo imoto ngene speeder man, but to me it's like lando I temporary lawe yabo. I'm gonna buy a car and then what yabo. So I always invest on my brand. So akho ndo second ayenza I crazy ngemali bra.
And also like just as umjita wasebai, because we have our nuances of things that we like and sort of like put value to. For instance, indo mhlambi embahla okanye yotshwala, well, you don't drink, so that wouldn't even work with you. But even indo yemoto is part of that.
Yeah, lifestyle.
Like indo your lifestyle.
Utheng is lifestyle, especially when it comes to it dance. Utheng is lifestyle. Asiculi maskandi pop. Asiculi like that a spiritual music, you know. Sicula umculo fly. We sing about women, drug, sex, and
dressing fresh.
Yeah, or drugs, sex, and alcohol. Yeah, also unyansil.
So you were never tempted at all.
Kindon kal, kindon. Yeah, I do indulge. No. No, thing is cheetah. You know. I was a macheri for the industry. Artist, DJ, macheri. I would say, I weakness ya macheri na party. I think I would say a macheri. But nakhona ayo weakness. You get what I'm saying?
No, bro, like Imamela wena.
Mina ngithe uthula Joe, bayithule.
Baba, and I'm as if I'm seeing through him because I'm looking at his eyes. But yeah, no, bro. Like I go.
Yeah, khona yeah,
but the Fresh Prince. I mean,
yeah, mina machira khona Brian. Akhona machira uzothi ngumjita bro. So if they come, they come, and ke bayazithanda izinto abantwana, you know. But also I'm very smart. Yeah, I always know ukuthi umuntu uzele ndoni, yabo. So I just play with whatever. Okay, lona bona uFabian, and that's the messed up thing. Abana bayabanda bora. Umntana uzonibona ndise club yini ndidlala kwahlanywa. Hlela majita ukuhlela ngeHennessy and stuff like that. I'm like, yo, lo mjito exciting. And then after a couple of days, a couple of weeks, I'm like, hey, I got to Fabian, yapora. And yapora, umna is like, you know, the exciting is what I put out, and it has to be in it.
It's work.
So yeah, it's work. So
it's work.
Yeah, it's to me, it's whatever I put out for umsebenzi, the content work. Maybe, but personally, I'm not. I'm those needs, man. Polile, mna.
Do you? Because I'm thinking about manjalo, ne. I have references in my head, even though like it's not like they're not on the spectrum like you are. Like with Casper is one of those guys that sell lifestyle, and DJ Tira is also one of those. Because I remember there was a time when DJ Tira ain't but this guy is like out here partying and like, I'm like, my nigga, like what's going on with you? So do you know when to turn it on and when to turn it off?
Yeah.
Like,
social battery iyakwazi battery iyayicharge mos battery and then i-social battery yam iyakwazi uqona yaphela ngoku. So I switch on and switch off, you know. It just sucks when you don't want to be uFabiano and then like let's say uselayinini uyobhadala umbane or something like you're doing house stuff now, like wezinto zasendlini kanye uthunyiwe li late, you know. That's the only time when you feel like
thunywe cabbage,
yeah, ubona la wena thunywe icabbage kanye thunywe iparaffin whatever, you know. That's when you feel like like anibawuba nguFabiano right now, like ngase kuthiwa ngumziyadi igama lami, ngase ngibe ngumziya. So I do switch it off, but abantu they like people don't know when to switch on and switch off. When they see you, they see Fabiano. Let's say you make a funny video, Fabiano, you know. So that time ni selayinini Joe ni zokwenza izinto serious asendlini wena ufuna uFabiano. Yeah. Also,
did you cut off certain things based on low A? Because now you like realize I'm aware, like when people know me, so and it's not even faking la lifestyle, but it's just fair to, you can't be this artist that you sell to us and then open your fall and art or my friend.
Hey Joe.
Ubamba
bona ke mfethu ke but it was like with the whole Cosmo Puma thing ukuthi we need to understand as the artists ukuthi that's what we signed up for susixelela ba this is andifuni bra ubukela uBrenda Fassie TV and you saw all these celebrities, like this is what we signed up for.
This is the name of the game, bro.
This is what you signed up for, you know. But I do understand sometimes for reasons artists, because now I can't be that artist where I feel like not today, you know. So in the end I am na itrick yam is I wouldn't say cooking down ngazambiyo ne but nyawakhetha amaxesha. If uzoyicrinecas anzoyicrinecas nge-25 date on a Saturday Friday ndiyothini icrinecas. So whatever I have to do, if uzoyicrinecas mna I have to go icrinecas ngo-10 kusasa abantwana besikolo bengekaphumi esikolweni yawo. If nokwenza into mhlawumbe okay lento lena kukho lenda, instead of going to le ndawo let me rather go shop at this place yabo because ihonje nje yami yabo. So ke yaklimita in a way, ifana. That's why I'm struggling with even women, especially the women that I meet emculweni. Women that I meet, like I said, they always want to have a good time. So you'd find that umnana, whenever they want to chill with you, they want to go out. Let's say let's pull. I'm like ingxaki zonke izindawo wena ufuna siye kuzo ngezindawo ndisebenza kuzo mna. So for you it's like hey sisefines. For me it's like it's just another ngathi ngigigging, okay? And I don't want to be there if I'm not working. So if I do take someone out, I have to go to Indawo Fans. Okay, there's a few black people here. Kukhamba
Serious
Joe.
mina kule ndawo.
Yabo no now fast forward.
Also now it
Ngiyafihla Lincinzo. I remember taking this other chick out ngevela ndawo apha eSummerstrand man xa usanodlula phaka Pick n Pay kole ndawo fuck I forgot this place yo. Basically ikala area yami ePSN cha ile ndawo lingapha opposite u Pick n Pay ngapha.
Yeah ndiyibona bebheke and
I forgot that place la yeah phana yabo. So that night I took her out yo bra there's white people there and then there was a band of lomnano oculayo with this other bro odlala igitari ecula umculo obhora njani ubhora akabhori kumne bhora ubhora lomnano yo lomjita
ndona nenzise kuyo
samelene dana lo lomnano ubhora ke ufuna igqom ufuna ipiano yena yo lomjita yabo. So that's the thing yabo. So I would say nxa umsebenzi wami I tend to attract kwa ama-cherry afuna nice time and then la ama-cherry are grand like ama-cherry abonakala uba yo andifuna ukujola ne-artist itaphapha and then bambeke lapha unayini ithindi you know instead uyibona ithini idayi unala uba ama nakhona ibhaji leyo there's nothing I can build here with this guy yabo. So you end up attracting i-baddies
the bad crowd yeah.
Aye dog. But
well, not the bad crowd, but the baddies.
Baddies, Joe.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah. So let's talk about the transition, Yako. Cause like you were like a full-on artist.
Yeah.
What made you DJ? And also, did you face any scrutiny from that? Because of course, there's that whole thing of like
everyone is a DJ now.
Yeah, DJ now.
Yeah, everyone is a DJ now. Yeah.
Like how was that?
Yeah, well, really, yenzeke i-COVID. We can talk about the COVID, Bogun.
Yeah.
The COVID, bro, you know, because the time you COVID, staying at home, yeah. And also you have to understand, good artist, you always have to have a hot song. You always, unless ke zikhona artists zikhupha umculo after 5 years of which
Kendrick
or Frank
but
Ocean.
But it's like that's like 1%.
Yeah, and that's another music. Yeah, I'm in. This is pop music that I'm making. I make commercial music. Chris Brown can't take a break for 10 years. Chris Brown always has to have a hit. So I'm not a Frank Ocean. I'm more of a Chris Brown when it comes to South Africa. So I always have to have a hit. And because now the gigs do dry up because I can't go in studio and always have a hit. I make good music, fans, but okay, it doesn't land with other people. So and then I had to learn. I taught myself how to DJ actually. The time this high school yanifundisa briefly but but then the time go ndibuya and then I taught myself how to DJ. Yeah. So I saw ukuthi xa artist kaloku if you get booked by a Chupana umzekelo they book you this week. They can't book you again next week. You sing the same songs. But if you're a DJ, they can book you this week and the following week because piano like it's a different playlist. But when you're an artist, you always perform the same song. So people don't want to see you kokoko. So they want to see you maybe even after 3 months again. Then because now, you know, yeah. So I had to sort of transition. I'm like, okay, I can do both actually. And also, I always make sure I do play my own production and music.
Because I'm also thinking, you don't know how to fall into, like, blending into a room as an artist. For instance, if Esquerin, we're like, as we on the stage in man, like we want to listen to
music, yeah, and as funu kuva mculo wako singawazi.
But hey yo, listen.
Yeah. Yo, this is my new track. Yo, listen.
Yeah.
Bona mina mthethe yo, yeah. Yeah, uyesabantwana ngabona bathi makahambe you out down. Okay, yo. This is my last one, I promise. This is my last one. Yo, bruh.
So, no, I get it. As you're part of the furniture as a DJ.
Yeah.
You're part of the furniture.
Background music.
Ambience, you're on your way.
That's why I'm saying Guti, this is gonna come out wrong. Artist, I have so much respect for your artists. Even a DJ, but a DJ that promotes their own music.
Music, yeah.
You know? Because for me, in any notice with DJ and is that the feeling is not the same. Like ikani rocker crowd dicule ngoma yami usabaweli brala we inenza nilale kamnandi. Remember, these were just songs that were just in my head, and now I'm performing these songs in front of a crowd, and they are singing song yonke leni belapha kum bayicula brala feeling. Now xa uyi DJ sharp, xa uyi DJ uyadlala, but you're playing other people's songs. You're playing songs that they listen to ku TikTok. So uyayi rocker sharp, uyayi rocker, but like wena for wena like what are you building for yourself? So you're just a good DJ. And there's nothing wrong, but ingaske sithi ba DJ man, DJ are you artist or DJ? Solely a DJ. To me, how you DJ, you are someone who has equipment, you taught yourself, and then une skill. I feel like how you artist, you have talent. And then how you DJ, DJ is someone who spends more time on mastering the skill of a DJ. Meaning umjita untsoyemu umuntu one desk pha kuyendlini opracticeayo kanye ku guitar nase area manje practice kuyo. You understand? But xa you artist, this is gonna come out wrong, but xa you artist, bra, it's like we artist, man.
No, I use wrong. Look, this thing is totally valid, because even if you think about it, bangbalwa abantu who are like solely DJs. DJing is a platform. It's either umdu like you're a radio host and then you DJ, or you're a producer but also DJ. Or ubusenza low.
Because Black Coffee used to be he used to make music.
He's a producer.
Producer and then go what DJ. Yeah. So now that's why even I'm much that DJ that I'm friends with, I always say, bra, try to cook something. Cook something. Don't just cook something, especially if you. Uncle Waffles is a perfect example. Uncle Waffles, the time Uncle Waffles is not a producer. The time it do my Uncle Waffles, she made sure she doesn't produce, but she made sure let me work with other producers,
so and then
music. Make mandenza umculo wami. Because if you go to the States, what are you gonna do? You have to shoot a music video. You can't just be the guy.
Go.
That's your whole career. No, have a music video, have other things. Ozenzayo. Don't just be this guy. Can you feel it?
So quick one. Okay, this is not gonna be quick, cause no, I'm thinking about
disclaimer.
I'm thinking about it, right? And also a proper disclaimer.
Yeah.
The views or the opinions shared by Istirane or myself. Reflect.
Please.
The dungeon or the beverage show.
Please, guys.
So ningas can't
disclaimer. Yeah.
But there was a post on how I got into. Because I pitched this to Q, I'm like, we need to have Ulendo Fabian, because the you wrote on Facebook, and I'm paraphrasing when it's out but I got podcast to call you, man.
No, I know, to be honest, I was calling in for but I was just messing around, man.
So you were baiting.
I was just baiting. I knew Gutaban were going to be like, oh, what do you have to say? It was just calling up so, but I do have some stuff to say. No, basically, the main reason why I wrote that is that when it comes to the big festivals and the there's this thing upper Eastern Cape, upper Eastern Cape too, there's a groups, man, in everything, like you guys are into podcasting, you guys are alone, let's say, I'm not saying you guys, I'm just in general, you guys are there, and then so I feel like even with the events, there's a certain people that it caters for, and there's a certain artists that get the first hand when it comes to being picked quiz events. And the thing is about the Eastern Cape, that I can say is that the artists, it's like Eastern Cape kulindelwe only the artists that are sort of like gospelish or jazzish or spiritual music, Afro, you understand? Of which I get it. Eastern Cape, like if you want Eastern Cape as a whole, it dominated mostly Ilali. So that's our music, and it's a good thing for Tina Eastern Cape siyaziwa only for not only but siyaziwa for your Zaharas, your Ringo Madlingos, that type of gospel, because that's what Josie doesn't have. iJozi ayinayila wena eDurban nayi iDurban ineMaskandi iJozi ayinayila uyabo. So I understand, but kodwa mina nikhulele eBhayi bra, anikhulelanga ezilalini umzekelo. So it's like in order for you to be accepted other kwezi events, even I go to even radio, you get first preference if you have that background of either a gospel or you have to make spiritual music. Dikhule mna mameli hip hop, dikhule mameli quiet on the house. That's not me. But ingxaki yoku eBhayi sibaninzi abantu that are like that. We didn't grow up in the rurals, khulele lokishini. But like I feel like no one in PE in the whole of Eastern Cape no one is actually representing Istrato. People from Joburg think the whole of Eastern Cape is Zilal. They don't know Guti, like we're living out here. You understand? So no one is the voice for Istrato, Upper Eastern Cape. It's people only want to hear about Ilali, they want to hear Utiko, Undibabalile namhlanje, which is good because I'm a Christian, you know. So even I'll go to even Iqom. If we artists at Qom, the only timing on my kid to my radio is if there's some sort of gospel Qom.
Yeah.
Even if you do a piano, it has to be spiritual piano. Like what about the fact I was out last night in Amano Arti, we were popping bottles with baddies. Yeah. Because a lot of people relate to that.
Yeah.
And we do live that lifestyle, but why? Who do you know when commercial Eastern Cape that is singing that type of music? A lifestyle. Because lifestyle, bro. Who?
I can't think of
just think of Eastern Cape.
No,
when you think of a lifestyle, you think maybe Tira, you think of Maporisa, Kabza, the piano brews, even the hip hop brews, orchestra, but you think of them. But Eastern Cape music, you're from Joburg. Zahara comes up. Zahara comes up, Ziniza's artistic, but you know, like RIP to Zahara, by the way.
She's a legend.
Legend. But you get what I'm saying?
No, I fully get what you're saying, because like, you export here to, like, the contribution is Eastern Cape to the country.
Yeah.
The Afro Souls, is the Zonkas, the
gospel.
Novas, all those artists,
famous, yeah.
But that's not what we offer only.
That's the thing.
Especially when they even especially we land because of the one man, like there's that I'm not gonna mention it because of banga stretch or something.
No.
The one they do in
December, before
right?
the interview, bra like it's not much brands, yeah, before when.
So there's this one event, right? Where they book. Then I'm like, hey, then the 80s le way, like,
hey,
do we rock up there rocking Ivesti, okanye like shorts, nendo, and then go have fun and mosh pit or whatever.
Yeah, mosh pit. Yeah,
it's always like Sisonge, which is Sisonge is amazing, but
disclaimer, bra, like we love this artist. Party at Durban, Imaskandi and Qom, they both coexist.
Yeah.
Why can't we coexist?
The lifestyle music,
like the lifestyle music, fun, popping, no, and also with the spiritual.